As the Mnangagwa-led government pours money into preparations for the 2026 National Independence Day celebrations in Mapisa, Matabeleland South, ordinary Zimbabweans are questioning the priorities of the state, arguing that the lavish spendings contrasts sharply with the country's worsening economic and social conditions. Sarabina Mashiko Buda Chibvunzo Finzi, where are the liberation values? Citizens slam Mnangagwa regime over lavish Independence Day celebration. Do subscribe or like on the bell. Despite less than 100 days to the event, authorities are reporting steady progress on infrastructure and logistics, with the provincial leaders praising the release of funds, the delivery of materials. Matobo, member of the parliament Edgar Moyo, said contractors should accelerate work, acknowledging progress while hinting at delays. We are happy with the work done so far, but we wish they speed up some of the processes so that we meet the deadline, he said. Sanpi Matebele South Provincial Chairperson Mangaliso Lofu admitted that funds only arrived late in December, saying, "I am happy that the funds have been released. The first tranche, although it came late in December, and they have started receiving the materials. Besides other extreme weather conditions, we would have made good progress by the end of February." While officials celebrated the allocation of resources, critics argue that millions are being squandered on celebrations where citizens struggle to access basic services such as healthcare, clean water, and electricity. Residents in Mapisa and surrounding areas have expressed frustration, saying that the government's focus on pomp and pageantry signals a disconnect from the very liberation ideals it claims to uphold. The government can spend millions on this show while people here can't even get proper roads or clinics. One Mavisa resident said, "Where are the liberation values they keep talking about? All we see is money going into decorations and ceremonies while ordinary people suffer." Minister of State for Matabeleland South Provincial Affairs and Devolution Honorable Obet Nguluve defending the preparation, stating, "We have seen how far they have gone, and I think we need to speed up. We want to thank the team working here that they have done a good job. I'm happy that the material has started arriving, and by the end of next week, they are going to get 8 graders from other provinces." Critics, however, argue that such government statements fail to address the broader concerns of citizens who say that national celebrations are being used as a political spectacle rather than a reflection of Zimbabwe's liberation legacy. Thomas Kwanu yachitagwa pana pane vanhu pine comment section medu zvafungo emo to kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.